So hi guys, this is the second version of using ChatGPT in your trading. Now this one I'm going to use forward test. Like for me, this is data now from my trades in 2024 that I did as I had earlier indicated. So you can see I normally have folders where I record all these things so that it's easier for me to come back and look at what happened. So it tells me first of all instrument performance, the pairs that I trade. Tells me some major losses occurred, for example, in gold. Some gains also occurred there, but couldn't be sustained due to the losses on gold. Insights, gold's volatility demands tighter stop losses and smaller sizing. So you can see that I used higher sizing even during high volatile periods, and that really affected me. So I should somehow try to lower my size, okay? Now, mixed performance on Euro USD, but I had fewer losses than gold. Profits were secured in GBP USD and holding trades, but I should hold trades for longer. No, I should hold trades for a shorter duration because there are some trades which would have made me money, but I stayed too long and I ended up either getting out at break even or securing a small gain. So consider shorter holding times, you know. NASDAQ, high volatility and quick reversals. Risk reward and position sizing. Some trades had a small traffic but large downside. Like for example, that one, that's the relationship that I had on a market like gold. I had about 3, 4, 5 losing trades, which are quite big. I think I'll even show you the specific trades. When gold was breaking out, I lost about, I think about $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 on those trades. And then optimize position sizes and set stop losses that align with risk reward ratios. Trade duration, some trades like Euro USD lasted for a few hours to a day. Long-term holds lasted for over a day. And inside, so you can see drawdown. Losses were compounded by trading without adapting position sizes during volatile conditions. So you can see that it tells me you are doing very well, but there was a volatile period where you had some very big losing trades taking place over there. So use trailing stops or partial exits or reduce your size, okay? Key patterns and recommendations for 2025. Larger wins happened when you entered in line with the overall trend. So you can see, like for me, I do well following the markets, not going against the direction of the market. Shorter duration trades had higher probabilities of success. So most of my winning trades, you can see, did not last so long. Losing trades, holding trades through reversals or high impact news events like gold during major use and entering large lot sizes without adjusting for volatility, okay? So actionable insights, reduce lot sizes, improve risk reward ratio, avoid holding through major, focus on winning instruments. So you can see, like for me, it tells me you do well in some pairs, but other pairs also you keep on trading them. So if you would do better if you tried to focus on the pairs that you're trading. So that's a brief example of what ChatGPT can do if you feed it your data. It will tell you specifically what are the things that you need to work on, and you can be able to really know this is what I need to work on, this is what I need to stop doing. Like for me, for example, I stopped trading some pairs like NASDAQ, I stopped trading Aussie dollar. I still trade gold, but I adjusted my size significantly and changed some things on that market. I focus more on GBP USD and Euro USD because that's where I make most of my money. So slight changes, but with big results by the end of the day. So I think that's where I'll stop for today. So make sure you have your data though. You see, if you don't collect your data, if you don't keep a journal, it's almost impossible for you to know this. But if you can collect your data systematically and key it in, then it can really, really be helpful for you to know how to improve. And it will always have insights. You'll always have insights on how you're going to improve in your trading. So with that said, I think I'll stop there. We'll catch up next time. Peace.